Hi, it's Clayton from Australian Direct 4-Wheel Drive Outdoor. I want to talk about our new KickAss pressure pumps that we've got online. Now, what's a pressure pump? It's a 12-volt powered pump that will be used for things such as pumping water out of your camper trailer into a sink or into a shower. And the pressure pump, when it says pressure pump, obviously it's pumping at pressure, but they've also got a switch in them that will switch the pump off when the pressure builds up on the outlet side. So that means if you turn a tap off, the pump will detect that the water pressure's built up too much and it will switch the pump off. When you turn the tap back on, that pressure will release and the little switch inside the pump will start pumping. So it means you don't have to switch the pump on and off all the time manually, it will do it itself. Now, there's a few different sizes, so depending on your application, you'll choose a different size of pump. So there's a little wee pump here, great for having a shower. This one here, the smallest one, is 4 litres per minute. So in 1 minute, it will pump approximately 4 litres. There's a 6 litre a minute. There's a 12 litre a minute. Now we're getting up to some reasonable output here, 12 litres. And then there's a 17 litre a minute. Now this is quite powerful. So, having a shower, just want to run some water from your camper trailer, instead of using the old manual handheld pump, you could install the little 4 litre. You could shower with that as well. Remember, if you have a really big powerful pump and you've only got limited water resources, maybe not you, but especially your family, your kids, they're going to go through that water really quickly. So another reason people will go for a smaller pump is because they don't want to go through the water so quickly. 6 litre. Same thing, taps, multiple outlets, and remember, maybe you've got 2 outlets you might want to run at the same time, so sometimes you might be having a shower and want to still be able to use a sink, so that water is going to be diverted. You might need a bigger pump for that. So generally showers 4 litre, 6 litres, a little bit more output. When you start getting up to your 12 and your 17 litres, you're looking at a pretty reasonable output. The 12 and 17 are going to be able to put a trigger gun on the end and actually have a bit of pressure for washing down decks of boats, or doing cleaning of pots and pans, that kind of thing as well. So easy to connect. Positive and negative just connects usually via a switch. So if I was to set this up, I would do a connection to the battery via a fuse, and then I'd have a switch connected to the pump. I said you don't need one, but you still want the possibility to turn it off, for example, just in any situation. And then that's all you do. You switch the pump on. Once the water pressure on the output side builds up, the pump will turn off, turn the tap on, and it'll turn on again. Now these pumps are very, very good quality pumps, and we've sold loads of them. The small one has, as you'll see, they've got different sized hose outlets. The small one, being so small, has a smaller outlet on it, and you'll see that diameter measurement on the website, but it's barbed. You'll see they've all got the rubber feet to reduce vibration. The next size up, in the 6 litre, you get an adapter that can go on if you want to have right angles. Sometimes you might want to go down or up or whatever, so there's an adapter on that pump. And for the bigger 12 and 17 litre pump, you actually get a filter unit. So if you've got any debris or anything like that in the water that you're actually sucking into the pump, this will filter that out. And you'll see, brand new, they've got these little red clips. You'll just clip that into the inlet side and lock it in place. There's a little lock button, and then you can connect your hose to that. So both of the 12 and the 17 have those filters, and you'll see that there's a range of different adapters as well that can clip in. You've got a threaded style adapter, okay? You've got a barb straight and a barb bent. Now you get those 3 adapters and the filter with the 12 and 17 litre pump. If you're looking for the dimensions and the size of these adapters, have a look on our website in the product description area, and you'll get all those specifications. So these are a really high quality pump. Been selling them for a long time, and they're absolutely fantastic. If you need any help choosing one, remember to read the product description or give us a call, send us an email. Now we've got some other great items in our website here at Australian Direct. We've got our new collapsible water tank, which is proving to be really popular. Okay, so you can fill that up with water. Fantastic. It's got a mesh top if you want to collect water off an annex. It'll filter out any of the leaves. You can run a hose in from the top. You've even got an outlet on the top for the input and one on the bottom. On our website, we've also got these hot water automatic gas showers. These are fantastic. They come with a connection to go to a gas bottle. They've got a shower fitting with them. These are fantastic. So you could essentially connect your pump to a stream or you can connect it to your own container of water or to our pop-up water tank, run it through your pump into the hot shower unit, and you can instantaneously have hot water for a shower. So a whole range of products on the website. If you've got any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us. Check out our YouTube channel, heaps of videos about the battery systems and how to set up the wiring for these pumps. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.